Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as this is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me show you the first code, which is maybe not the shortest one, but in my personal opinion the most interesting, which will open, let's say, kind of engineering mode. And the code is *## 2486 #*#. And as I said, we are currently in the CQA tests. We've got two different types of tests and some of the modes, like the menu mode, sequence mode, assembly mode. Basically, all you can do here, and not maybe all, but everything you can make here, is simply to check your device, to check the particular component. So I highly recommend to simply enter this first option. And as you can see right here, you've got some options like the touch screen, for example, the system time sensor, and the key, headset, the display, camera, Bluetooth, battery, and so on. So here in this section you can not only have fun, like I will show you later on in the touch screen, but also you can check the particular things about your device. So let's, for example, enter the battery. Let's tap on the battery info, and as you can see, you can check, for example, the battery level, and of course you can check it also in the general settings. But here you're able to check, for example, the health and the status and the technology or the temperature of it. So that's quite cool. We can go back and we can check, for example, the display. Let's tap on the display. Here we've got the patterns, and as you can see here we've got kind of let's say kind of colors or the patterns, and thanks to which we can check the colors of our device. Let's say, because let me tap on the grayscale. As you can see right now, the grayscale is displayed all across the screen, and thanks to this you can check if you can see it properly. So if you cannot find any kind of white spots or dark spots, if you cannot, then it means that your screen works perfectly fine. The same situation with all other options, like the medium color bar, like the bright color bar. Let's go back, and for example, X-Talk, interfering horizontal. Just find this section and try all of them in order to check if the display is working perfectly fine. The same situation can be with the touch screen, for example. We can pick two different options, let's say diagonal, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on this white dot, and right now just drag it all across the screen in order to check if this particular area is working. As you could see, we had the green color, which means that of course it is working. So let's check this one also, and here we have to tap on it and drag it right here. Just follow this yellow line, and as you can see, we just checked that the screen is working here. So I really highly recommend to enter this section and just try to have fun with your device, and at the same time check the components of it. So basically that was all for this code, and let me show you another one. The code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is actually very similar to the previous one. But this time it will open the regulatory labels. So the code is *#07#. And as I said, we are in the regulatory information, so here we can check the model of our device, but also the SAR level, so the head and the body of it. So let's get back, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *## 225 *##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back, and let me show you another code, let's say quite technical one, which will open the diagnostic mode provided by Google. It's *## 426 *##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HP algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing menu. And the code is *pound *pound 4636 #*#*. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got among the others phone information, Wi-Fi info, or the NFC settings. So let me start with the phone info. As you can see, after entering, you can check the info just like the email number and the roaming, the data service or voice service. Of course, I know that I do not have any info right here. It is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. You can run ping test here. As you can see, you've got the results, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let me show you, for example, the Wi-Fi info. Just tap on the status, and as you can see, after refreshing the stats, you can check the network state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.